Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking stir-fried prawns in soy sauce. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to fry our prawns. First heat up a pan or a wok. Add in a little bit of oil. Swirl the oil around a little bit just to make sure that it coats the pan. I have with me over here 350 grams of big red prawns. I'm just going to pan fry them. I've deveined the prawns so you can do the same too. Just flip it over when one side of the prawns has been cooked. This is quite a fast stir-fried dish to do. Normally in restaurant what they do is they will sort of deep fry the prawns first to make it easier for them to cook and you'll be faster also, but at home we try not to use too much oil. And by doing this, actually you get more fragrance out from the prawns because when you fry it this way, the prawns shell actually give out a very nice aroma. So let's have a look. So something like this will be good. So we just turn it to the other side like this and do the same for the rest of the prawns. Smells so nice. Now when you turn it to this side, what we're going to do is we are going to cook the sauce now together in this pan. Just push the prawns up a little bit, leave a little bit of space. Add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 5 grams of chopped young ginger, 5 cloves of garlic chop. If it's a little bit dry, you can always add in a little bit more oil. Fry until you can smell the beautiful aroma coming out from the garlic as well as the ginger. We add in our oyster sauce now, 1.5 tablespoon, as well as half a teaspoon of sugar. Give it a nice stir. Mix it up. Now we add in 60 milliliters of water. Now we use the steam to steam up the prawns for a minute. 1 minute is up, let's have a look. Wow, smells really good. If you're using smaller size prawns, you do not really need to steam it for 1 minute, maybe 10 or 15 seconds will be fine. Mine is a bigger prawn, so I'm taking a little bit more time to do this. Now we add in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. I have with me over here 2 or 3 stalks of spring onion. Cut it up, just spread it in. Give it a good stir. This is going to be so good. Now I'm just going to deglaze it with 3 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking wine. Okay, time to serve our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. 1 big prawn. Wow, very flavorful. This is really good. Some of you asked us whether we eat the shell or not. Of course not, we don't eat the shell. But it looks much better presented with the shell. And of course, it gives a much better aroma and fragrance to the overall dish. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.